Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margarita salt. To begin, you'll need just two ingredients, good quality salt and a fresh lime. The key is to select a salt with a medium fine grain, not too coarse and not too powdery, for the best adherence and taste. We'll also cover how to properly moisten your glass rim, ensuring the salt sticks perfectly for that iconic margarita experience. Elevate your margarita salt with exciting flavor variations. For a zesty kick, finely grate the peel of an orange or grapefruit and mix it with your salt. If you prefer a bit of heat, a pinch of chili powder or a dash of smoked paprika can add a wonderful depth. You can even try finely chopped fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme for a sophisticated, aromatic touch that truly enhances your drink. Achieving a perfect salt rim is simple with the right technique. First, take a fresh lime wedge and run it around the outer edge of your glass rim, moistening it about 1/4 inch deep. Next, pour your prepared margarita salt onto a shallow plate. Invert your glass and gently dip only the moistened rim into the salt, rotating it slightly to ensure an even, beautiful coating all the way around. To keep your margarita salt fresh and flavorful, store any unused portions in an airtight container at room temperature. For flavored salts, it's best to prepare them in smaller batches, perhaps enough for 3 or 4 drinks, to ensure the added zest or spices remain potent. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of salt, like a delicate flaky sea salt, for varying textures and tastes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.